In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram Notes GIF option not showing. The first thing you want to do is tap and hold on the Instagram app. Then you will find this app info icon, tap on that. Here you want to scroll down and tap on the storage option. Then tap on clear cache. Make sure that you only select clear cache and not clear data. Once you have cleared the cache, head back over to settings. Now tap on the option of permissions. Here, make sure that you give all the permissions over here. So if there is anything not allowed, make sure to tap on allow or allow while using the app option. Once that is done, the next thing you want to do is open Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Instagram. Then, if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Since this is a new feature, if your application is not up to date, you might not get this feature. Once your Instagram app has been updated, launch it open. Now go ahead and check. The Notes GIF option should be available now. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.